with Rose and Adam, and we're going over Adam's part of the BU Bike Share project.
Yes.
Fantastic. So let's see what we have here. Let me find your stories. Now, did we discuss that one of your stories before was deprecated? Is that you, or did I mix you up with someone else?
Um, you might be mixing me up with somebody else. There was a story that I was assigned that was combined into another one.
Oh, okay, okay, gotcha. Let's see. I see a team one. Congrats, you've used the program X times. Is that yours?
Yes.
Okay, is that your first one?
That is the story that I picked up, and it was combined into the user panel story, which Kyle gave to me.
Oh, okay. So is this the one that's deprecated?
I suppose so.
Okay, so you might want to just add that so that people don't get confused.
Yeah, I put C user panel story here at the bottom. I could just add deprecated in all caps first.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, so I see that you have your user story in contextual format,
Mm-hmm.
and you've got your scenarios and your test steps.
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, and you have your lo-fi, so that's all sewn up. And
Okay.
then your next story would be uh, verification of user.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Let's bring that up. And let's see. I'm going to check. Now, I don't see any test steps here. I do see your lo-fi sketch. I don't see your test steps.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if I wrote RSpec test, but I wasn't sure if I was supposed to be putting that.
Oh, okay.
Um,
Did you write any cucumber tests?
I did not because it is essentially a few lines of code that go inside, I believe, the user controller.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So I did not
So it
write any
made more
cucumber
sense
tests.
in this case to do RSpec
Yes.
and just do a unit test rather than an integration or acceptance test.
Yes.
Okay, you might want to make a note of that in your pivotal tracker.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want me to do that right now or after the broadcast?
Uh, you could do it afterwards so we don't slow things down.
Okay.
All right. So these, you want to show me your tests now?
Okay. Let's see.
Did you
Just
have
trying
any
to.
other stories I needed to go over? I'm sorry, I forgot to ask you that.
No, those are my stories.
Got it.
Okay.
Those
Let
are your
me.
stories, and you're sticking to it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Cucumber.
Uh-huh.
Is it rake cucumber?
Well, that's one way to call it. There's,
Okay.
a number of ways. Bundle exec rate cucumber. There's, you can call it with options.
Okay. Okay. Just give it a second.
Mm-hmm.
So, in the meantime, this is my actual feature file for my user panel.
Okay.
So basically, as an admin, and this is different from what Kyle originally wrote because Kyle's contextual format story I felt didn't make too much sense. So I
Okay.
put, as an admin, I want to display information to users when they log in because I want them to be able to see their usage statistics.
I see.
So given that I'm on the user panel page, I should see assigned bike, total ride time, and total number of rides. And clicking the help link, when I follow help/instructions, I should be on the how it works page.
Okay.
So okay. Okay, it's giving me an error with simple cov, but before I added that, it was working.
Do you think you spelled it right everywhere and you have the added lines correctly? Because a couple of students, we troubleshot some issues with this, and it was just like little typos.
Let me double
You
check.
have You have Simple Cov in your gem file, and you did a bundle install after adding it?
Let me double check my gem file.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, yeah, it looks like I forgot to add it to my gem file.
Okay, so go to your gem file and add it to test and development.
Okay.
And then you have to do a bundle install.
Okay. Where exactly do I add it? I don't recall having done this before.
Okay, you have to first go to your gem file, not your gem file lock.
Okay. Oh, okay, I see it.
Okay, and then you should see a section there, group development test,
Yeah.
somewhere.
Okay.
So in group development test, you want to add gem simple cov.
Yeah.
Now, did you modify your features support env.rb?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's right there. Require simple cov. Simple cov does start Rails. What is the command? It's bundle install db migrate. You said.
Hold on. First, you have to do a bundle install.
Okay. All right.
Rake, cucumber. No. Go back. Go back. You're like trying to do too many things at once.
Okay.
So first, just do a bundle install,
Okay, I
but
did that.
without production.
Oh.
Without production.
Okay.
There you go. Now run that.
Okay. What is the without production? What is the exact
Oh, it's not. It's not dash production.
Okay. All right.
Okay. I'm not sure whether you have to, redo anything with the database now or not, but you could just try bundle exec rake cucumber.
Okay. Um, so this is user panel. Um, display the information. Click the help link. Everything's green.
Oh, sorry, I accidentally muted myself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so now that the add a rack, that's not your test, right?
No.
Okay. Can you scroll up and down so I can see more of what's going on?
Okay. I can make the window a little larger too.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Okay.
Huh. Okay. And then like scroll down.
Okay.
Yeah, keep going. All right. Nope. Wow, I wish I could see this better. All right. So all your features passed, and then there's the coverage report. Okay, good. Can you go to your coverage directory and open up the index.html in your browser?
Okay. Pub coverage.
Okay. Now can we look at the RSpec?
Okay.
Great.
So then RSpec is run how?
Oh, okay. Hold on. RSpec, you have to do the same sort of thing with the. Did you do the coverage stuff in RSpec as well?
Yes, I did.
Okay, good. So bundle exec run spec.
Install. It's telling me command run not found, and that I have to install gem executables with bundle install.
I think I muted myself again. I'm sorry. You had bundle exec run spec. Do
Yeah.
bundle exec rake spec.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think I misspoke. Okay.
Alright, so the only things that I modified were in the users controller. So this test is valid without an assigned bike is correct, but or passes rather, but my other two tests fail.
Oh, okay.
I had a lot of trouble adding those fields to the user's controller, so that code is incomplete.
Okay. Okay. Um, and let me see the coverage.
Okay. It would be the same file.
Yeah, it should update it. Okay, so which controller were you responsible for coding?
The only one I modified was the user's controller.
User's controller. Okay. Can you click on that?
Okay.
And can you show me your code?
Okay. Um. This and also this line.
Okay. All right. So there's still some problems with that, but you know you'll get some credit
Yeah.
for the RSpec that did work. Okay.
Mhm.
All right.
Additionally, do you want me to show you every file on the coverage that I was responsible for?
I would. Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay. Um, I believe, yes, I also added code to user.rb, these 3 lines.
Okay.
Okay, and let me just double check. I don't think no. Alright, yeah, those 2 files were the only things.
Okay. Now, can you demonstrate what your code does on the website?
Okay. So this is the users panel. Um, Currently, I had to wait for other people to push their code to get this fully working. With basically, this displays, the assigned bike, total ride time, total number of rides, and eventually we'll have a link to check in and check out a bike, and this link to the instructions. Um, yeah, because of the aforementioned problems with adding these 3 fields to the user's controller, I couldn't display any dummy values because this is supposed to appear after the user signs in, so I have to take that in from the session hash.
Okay. Well, make sure that you write up the things that are working and the things that have yet to be implemented, or at least be implemented correctly, and
Hmm.
make some in the activity section of your stories, just add some notes so that whoever takes this up after you kind of can start off where you left off.
Will do.
Okay. And also make sure that you post this video to Agile Ventures.
Where?
Well, just like under documents.
Like the Slack channel?
No, no,
Or
no, no. Agile Ventures. You're the project.
okay.
Okay.
All right, we'll do. Just please send me the link to that on Slack.
The link to what?
To the Hangout, because since I'm not the host, I won't have the link.
Oh, yeah, of course. I will do that pronto.
All right.
Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.